All right, today we're going to take a look at the actual bladder replacement. If you own one of these camelbacks for walking, hiking, you might have an older version and it's probably moldy now, or you need a replacement. This is a perfect replacement. Now, it does come with a saddle ready to go, including the actual drinking fountain. So this is including. There's a lock mechanism, especially if you're going to drink out of it. It's not easy to unlock for children or anything like that. You're going to have to unlock it here and push down. So it tells you how to unlock it, how to press down and drink from it, right? So this is going to be simple for you travelers or hikers. Now, this one right here is a plus because they give you everything you need, including the drying mounts, all right? And also a cleaning material. If you guys can see all the brushes, you need to clean it because, it does get in time. You need to replace this or clean it out because it does get moldy if you forget to dry out the entire water. So that's what the whole brush and the whole setup is for. They give you that. So I actually enjoy this a lot and I use it a lot more now. I've been taking a lot of walks, hiking, especially if you're going to go out in the field and you're going to be, it's going to be a long day or an event, or your children starting to play soccer. You don't want to carry those bottled waters and all sorts of things and hazards for the environment. This is a perfect way. You could recycle the system itself. Very simple to open it up from the top. Just take out the water. Refilling is even easier because it does give you an extra connection here to refill. You could remove the actual funnel here and clean it out manually. So this is a plus. I'm going to actually hang this, dry it up and hang it out so we can actually continue to use this throughout the whole year and years to come. So, all right. So I end up removing the water completely, and this is simple. It just slides in there. It folds first and it slides. Now, the best thing I like about it is that you can remove this manually. You could just take it out by pushing down the button down and taking it out and cleaning it out. So this is a plus for things that are coming out. Now, right now, we're going to hang it. If you guys can see, let me show you guys the hanger itself. This is actually to dry up the content that you have inside. So it kind of spreads the whole thing and keeps it going, air flowing in there. And that's how you prevent from mold growing in there. I like that they give you the additional brushes. You could go in there and actually push the actual water back. The larger brush is actually for the actual tubing system. So you could send it out, and we are going to clean that out. But I just wanted to see how it works. We're going to hang it out and let it dry up. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.